Many beginners are overwhelmed by the exotic animal sighting. They start shooting frantically using a high shutter speed and a burst mode. In the process, they create duplicates of the same image. Slow down. You have shot the image with fast shutter speed, got few images worth preserving. Now use slow shutter speed. Create something different. Create panning effect. Get a zoom burst. Once you are done with both fast and slow shutter speed, switch to video mode. Get a nice video. Shoot at a frame rate of 60 fps or 120 fps. And then in the post-processing, you can either convert it to slow motion or a super slow motion. And if you do not want to convert it into a slow or a super slow motion, you just keep it in a real time. Choice is yours. And wait, you can shoot horizontal. You can shoot vertical. You can shoot using different apertures to create different type of depth of field. Or you can use different focal length if you are equipped with a zoom range lens. Think and keep exploring.